Hi, I'm Jim Burke of uslegalwriting.com, a freelance legal research and writing service available to lawyers everywhere in the U.S. Once upon a time, law firms large and small routinely hired associates. And if you've been in practice a while, like I have, you remember those days. This used to work out well for everybody. The law firms, they got inexpensive labor. And the associates got something in return that they desperately needed too, namely training. They got training from day one, lots of training and mentoring. And after several years, if things worked out, they became partners. Well, these days, this model isn't working as well as it used to, especially for smaller firms. The problem is that it costs a lot of time, effort, and money to train a lawyer. And so hiring new associates just isn't a realistic option for some solos in small offices. So, what do? How do you get your extra work done and avoid spending the time, effort, and money that training an associate will cost you? Well, competitive solos and small firms are turning to experienced freelance attorneys like me to solve this problem. And I'm not your only option. There are other freelance lawyers available that you can hire right now on a spot contract basis who have plenty of practical experience and excellent training. Now, before you hire anybody, including me, you want to talk with them and make sure you know what their background is. But in many cases, you'll find that they're experienced attorneys who've already received plenty of practical training at somebody else's expense. Now, there are many other reasons to consider hiring a freelance lawyer, and I deal with many of them in my 12-page guide to hiring a freelance attorney. You can download it for free on every page of my website, uslegalwriting.com. Once you've looked it over, contact me and let's talk. Call me anytime at 207-701-1393. Fill out my web form or shoot me an email, jim@uslegalwriting.com. I look forward to hearing from you soon.